Hello, I'm Teemu from DUSTMOVERS. In this episode we are working on this E30, so let's get to work. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, it's right here. And now, done.
The shivers whenever I'm thinking about you. Just wanna leave and live without you. Be on my own again. I get the shivers whenever you go out of line, yeah. I feel it creeping down my spine, yeah. Wanna be alone again. I'm scared to death. Scared of your eyes looking into my eyes. Scared that I'll back out and hold my breath. Wake up one morning and see your face. I can feel it coming back. These shivers are every day. Whoa, I say it's over. I get out of bed and leave. Yeah, just like that. I got the shivers whenever I would think about you.
Now it's time to install these parts to here, and also this has been painted too, because the factory finish won't last long, so all the parts needs to be painted before installing. And let's see how tight it must be. Part 16, and 16 is over there, M8, 25 Newton meters. So let's work with that. The support is over there, and also the hubs are installed to the rear axle too. Still waiting for the new shock absorber. It should come in a few days. But this is how it looks now. And the same thing over here. Same parts installed. The next thing we are going to do, we must overhaul this. We have got all new seals, gaskets, etc. Those all parts which are going inside this steering rack. So we must tear down it and make total overhaul. So let's start removing all the parts so we can replace the gaskets. Let's go. Now the rack has been dismantled and all parts are here. One bearing, gaskets, etc. So all of those are here. And it's time to paint the housing and start assembling this whole system with new gaskets. I think these ones could be difficult, but let's see how it goes. A few parts. Easy job. Easy DHY. Now we removed the gaskets from here and the old ones are here. New ones in there. So these are really important because the oil will run through these. As you can see, the holes. So these must be really perfect so the oil is in the right slot. But let's install the new ones. We have replaced all the gaskets, but I found out that I'm still missing one set and I can't continue the build. I need new plastic slider here and one new here, and also the second one goes inside of this. So we must wait the kit to arrive so we can continue the restoration project. So let's pack this up. A few new parts installed and it looks pretty good at the moment. There is still a lot of things to do, but every weekend it goes forward. Thanks for watching, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like if you liked. We will see you in the next episode. Bye!